Hi, and welcome to Yabbey. Today, we'll walk you through how to download, print, and assemble your Yabbey patterns from Etsy. Let's get started. Download your files. After purchasing your pattern on Etsy, check your email for a message titled Download your Etsy purchase from Yabbeys. Inside, you'll find links to your files. These include patterns formatted for A0, A4, and letter paper sizes, as well as detailed instructions. Click the file you need to download. On most devices, the files will save to your Downloads folder. If you're on a Mac, Safari and Preview will open them automatically. If you're using an iPhone, navigate to the Browse section in your Files app. Step 2. Print your pattern. Choose the correct paper size. A4 is standard internationally. Letter is commonly used in the US and Canada. A0 is great for large format printing at copy shops. For home printing, open the file in Acrobat Reader. In your print settings, select actual size or scale 100% to ensure accuracy. It's a good idea to test print the first page and use a ruler to confirm the scale before printing the entire file. For A0, visit a copy shop like FedEx or Staples. Assemble your pattern. Lay out the printed pages on a flat surface, like a table or the floor. Match the notches on each page to align the pattern correctly. Carefully trim or fold the edges of each page. Use tape or glue to connect the pages, ensuring all the notches are perfectly aligned. Use your pattern. Once assembled, you're ready to trace or cut out the pattern pieces. Use the solid lines for cutting and the dotted lines as your sewing guide, which indicates the seam allowance. And that's it! Your Yabbey pattern is ready to go. We can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Visit our Etsy shop for even more inspiring patterns. Happy sewing!